this video is not going to go according to plan because we blew out an O-ring. It was a mil-sig O-ring. And so, was going to test the 10.4 gram BK ammo. So we'll have to do that another time. I'll change that out tonight. And but we can. I was also, and we can still do this part. We've got the 8.1 gram BK ammo. It's got a little bit of a concave in the back there. It's nice. And this point here, holds on to that little spring-loaded bar like nobody's business. Balls will just like slip out of there if you just look at it too hard. But these are great. They just hold right in there. I love that. So, okay. Quit yapping. Oh, come on. I gotta get faster with that. Yeah, and I still want to play with the pre-pierced mag thing. You know, when it's just the mag, this part here, I don't know. I've never taken the little guts apart on that little part. And if you guys have and can enlighten me on that, but I think, and let me know if I'm wrong, I think it's okay to leave that pre-pierced for a while. You know, it's not like having all that pressure on the main O-ring. Yeah. So having that saved up, and I kind of been playing with this technique of having a piece of tape there holding it in, and I've been doing that. I've been playing around with that, and it's been, I gotta test it some more. You gotta test the hell out of things, because that's the tactical way. That's how the military does it. They test the hell out of things before bringing it out to the field. So back to work, Edward. So this is charged. This is here. And the batteries are working. The safety is off. I'm pretty sure this is tuned up with a good balance, meaning we still have enough juice left over for the last shot. Okay, so let's see. Wait a minute. Just a minute. I've been hurting my ears lately. The tarp back there, it helps hold the sound in, but yeah, it holds the sound in here. It also blocks the afternoon sun and keeps it cooler in here. It's getting warmer, California. And also, I think it looks cooler. All right, so now my voice sounds funny to me, so you probably don't want to hear me yapping anyway. All right, here we go. Ready, set, break yourself. Was that a double shot? Was that an auto shot? Apparently it was, unless I lost count. I always lose count. Oh God, get these earplugs out. All right. Now I can breathe again. Okay, well, I'll crunch the numbers and put them in the description. And thanks for watching.